Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your exchange experience with Kraken, beginner guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your exchange experience with Kraken, create an account by clicking the sign up button. Fill in your email address and choose a strong password. Check your email for a confirmation link and click it to verify your account. Once verified, log into your account. Next, complete the KYC process by providing the required personal information. Upload the necessary identification documents as prompted. After your documents are approved, explore the Kraken dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the user interface and available features. Set up two-factor authentication for enhanced security. Deposit funds by selecting the Funding tab and choosing your preferred deposit method. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your deposit. Once your funds are in your account, navigate to the Trade tab. Choose the market you want to trade in, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Select whether you want to buy or sell. Enter the amount you wish to trade and review your order details. Click on Confirm to execute the trade. Monitor your portfolio to track your investments and performance. Utilize Kraken's advanced features like margin trading in futures if comfortable. Stay informed with the latest market news and updates through Kraken's resources. Regularly review your trading strategy and adjust based on market conditions. Take advantage of Kraken's customer support if you have any questions or issues. With these steps, you can maximize your experience on Kraken. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.